this is all of the stuff we got today. I'm probably going to move a few things around so you can see. I did get some canned goods. I mean, not canned goods, I'm sorry. I got some paper goods. I have some sausages and hot dogs right here. Fruit snacks for the kids. The chicken, salami, the Cheez-Its. Here's some fruit, Jell-O. More grapes, Lunchables, more paper goods, cereals, some other snacks. I got this pie crust because I do want to try to do the chicken pot pie mini bagels. I got these little juices for when we're on the road with the baby, so you can just pour those up. I love these Taco Bell sauces. They had those today, so I did grab those. He wants to talk in the video too. He has something to tell you guys. I also got these chicken patties. Those have multiple uses. Some penne pasta. I did grab these salads. I love those salads because you just put them together and you're done. Of course, the Uncrustables. Someone was drinking some water. Oh, this sauce is really good for the quesadillas, which is why I have the tortillas here, because I do plan on doing some quesadillas. Lunch meat, carrots, there's the spinach dip, the ragu, Jiffy cornbread mix. We love our cuties, bananas. What else do we have? Here, the patty pie, and we also got the peach cobbler. We're gonna try that out this time. We got this New York cheesecake. That's gonna be good, I'm sure. And these pizzas, I like to keep a couple frozen pizzas in the deep freezer just for those nights when just too tired. Pop that in the oven, and that can always be paired with a salad, and they are good. Strawberries, and I think that is it. This total tonight came up to $278. Again, I did use the wick for the fresh veggies and fruits, so that knocked off some of it. I ended up paying a balance of $22 and some change. Like I said, I did get these paper goods, so we didn't do too bad. I started out with a budget of 200 and some change. It was probably like 217, I believe. So this is definitely enough food to last us for a week, including our snacks and things. We did very well, so I'm gonna start putting this stuff up. Okay, so the fridge is done. This is the kids' drawer. They can get their snacks and things. It's easy for them. I put the fruits and vegetables down there. I like to keep my leftovers at eye level so I can see them, as well as the fruits. They're already washed, so the kids can just grab them as needed. This is my fridge. I didn't do too much different to the door. I just wanted to make space to put the baby stuff, his leftover stuff. But this is it. This is how I do the kids' snacks. They go on a shelf that they can reach. I will not show you guys that shelf because it is an absolute mess. But just know it's a shelf that's accessible to them. I allow them to pick 3 snacks every day that they take to school, along with 1 juice. So, because I am a breastfeeding mommy, I do keep some snacks and beverages in my room, in my mini fridge. It is just a lot easier for me waking up during the night, feeding the baby. When I get thirsty, I can just grab something out of my mini fridge at my bedside as opposed to walking all the way to the kitchen. I can also store my pump breast milk in here until I actually get up for the day and switch it over to the actual deep freezer. So, just a tip for other breastfeeding moms, bring some snacks in the room. It's so much easier. You don't have to worry about getting up, walking into the kitchen in the middle of the night.